Our topic in this video is plane section of a conicoid. So, but before starting, we need to understand what is the meaning of plane section of a conicoid. Think about the sphere. ठीक है, तो एक sphere को हम एक plane से काट करते, that time we will get a circle. एक sphere को कोई plane से तुम काट करोगे तो you will get a circle. Similarly here, suppose we have a conicoid. इस conicoid को हम कोई plane से काट करेंगे, then we will get a conic, and that is called the plane section of a conicoid. तो यहाँ पे हमें वो plane section of a conicoid की equation find करनी है. देखो इसका क्या है, टू फाइंड द लोकस ऑफ द कॉर्ड्स ऑफ द कॉनिकॉइड दिस वन विच आर बाइसेक्टेड एट द पॉइंट अल्फा बीटा गामा. सो रिमेंबर दैट दिस conicoid, this equation gives you a central conicoid. This is the standard form of the equation of a central conicoid. Now इस central conicoid की कुछ chords हम draw करेंगे. जो कॉर्ड बाइसेक्टेड होगा, जो कॉर्ड्स की मिड पॉइंट होगा अल्फा बीटा गामा, एंड उसकी लोकस हम फाइंड करेंगे. दैट इज आवर एम हियर इन दिस थ्योरम. सो दिस इज द कॉनिकॉइड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. इसकी बहुत सारे हमने कॉर्ड ड्रॉ किया, एंड जो कॉर्ड की मिड पॉइंट है, मिडिल पॉइंट है अल्फा बीटा गामा, which is denoted by capital A. Now इसकी locus जो है, इस chords की जो bisected at the point alpha beta gamma, उसकी locus हम find करेंगे. Simply here, since chord is a straight line and the chord passes through the point alpha beta gamma, so इसकी equation we can write in this form. Now any point on this straight line can be taken as alpha plus LR, beta plus MR, gamma plus NR. Now this point will lie on the equation on the conicoid. If this point lies on the conicoid, then these coordinates of this point will satisfy the equation of the conicoid. That means ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Now rearranging the terms, we get this equation. Look, this is a second order equation in R. That means a quadratic equation in R. So we'll get two values of R, two roots of R, R1 and R2 say. Now look at the chords. The chords are bisected at this point alpha beta gamma. So if R1 is this distance and R2 is this distance, think about this particular chord. It is true for all the chords, since all the chords are bisected this point alpha beta gamma. So if R1 is this distance, R2 will be this distance. What will be the difference between, what will be the relation between them? R1 and R2 की जो magnitude है वो equal होगा, but they will have opposite sign, because this is your, suppose this is your R1, this is your R2. So there, since alpha beta gamma is the midpoint, so R1 is equal to R2, means magnitude equal होगा, but symbol sign different होगा. So that means if R1 is plus 2, R2 will be minus 2, and so R1 plus R2 will be 0. But R1, R2 are the roots of this quadratic equation, and R1 plus R2 is equal to 0. So summation of the two roots of this quadratic equation is 0. That means this coefficient is 0. A alpha L plus B beta M plus C gamma N is equal to 0. Now we have to obtain the locus of that straight line chords. So we eliminate LMN, and after eliminating LMN, we'll get this equation. Now look at this equation. This is some constant into x plus some constant into y plus some constant into z is equal to some constant term. So it looks like L1x plus M1y plus N1z is equal to P. That means it gives equation of a plane. Therefore, we can say that the locus of the chords whose middle points are alpha, beta, gamma, it gives a plane. Now, if with this representation, if S is our original conicoid equation, S1 is by replacing x, y, z, alpha, beta, gamma in the equation of conicoid, and T is the equation of tangent at the point alpha, beta, gamma of the conicoid. Then put S1 and T here, we'll get this equation will be S1 is equal to T. Therefore, this plane, the equation, this plane S1 is equal to T, it meets the conicoid, it intersects the conicoid into a conic. Therefore, this plane A alpha x plus B beta y plus C gamma z is equal to this, or which symbolically we can write as S1 is equal to T. This makes the given conicoid, this intersects the given conicoid, this one, into this conic whose center is at alpha, beta, gamma.